Hello family, hello my YouTube family. It's your girl here, African Princess Milka. If it's your first time here, feel welcome guys. And also if you will find this video impressive or if you like this video, please watch until the end. And also if you find it interesting, attractive, all those guys, please leave a like because the more you like my videos, the more they go viral and the more people are going to get the video. So guys, I hope you're going to like it. That is my hope. And also don't forget to leave a comment down below and also share with your friends. So today I wanted to make you a new interesting recipe I saw on YouTube and I decided why not try it. So I'm doing naan bread. I think it's like Indian food or something. So it's naan bread that I'm going to make. So right now I want to show you the ingredients you need. So first you need yeast, and also you need some natural yogurt, and also you need wheat flour, of course, and you need is it coriander? Yeah, you need coriander, dania in Kenyan. It's called dania. You need this, but this one you put them at the end of the. When everything is ready, that's when you put with the garlic. Yeah, I have some garlic too. So I'll be making my dough first, and then I let it for like 40 minutes so that it can raise and the naan to be okay. So see you guys in a few. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. So you're going to put some warm water on the yeast and then you let it, let's see if it's good or not good. So I'll just let it rest for 5 minutes. So I'm going to prepare my dough. Flour, I think that is enough. Okay, you need a teaspoon, but I'm using a tablespoon of salt. Just a little salt to taste. Can you have it? A tablespoon of sugar. One cup natural yogurt. You have to make your dough. I added my yeast already, so I have to warm water. So you just make the dough like the chapati dough. So I have to make sure I had some flour because I don't want it to be too soft or too hard. So I'll continue with my hands. So my dough is ready, but I'll let it set for 40 minutes so that it's going to be okay, so that we can make the bread. See you after 40 minutes. So guys, my dough is ready. So I'm going to make some little balls so that I can make like a small duff like the chapati ones. And yeah, it's ready. You see, so ready. So it's so soft, but I need to put a little flour so that it's going to be a bit harder, so that when I'm rolling there won't be a problem. But it's ready, so let's make our bread. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to roll my duff, as you can see, like chapati duff. It doesn't have to be like the chapati one, but at least try. So you don't cook with oil, you just place it. It's going to cook until it's brown, it's well cooked, and yeah. For those who don't love cooking chapati, it's one of the easiest thing to make. You see, it's raising because of yeast. So I made a mixture of garlic, coriander, and butter. For me, I don't have butter, so I used blue band. You can use whatever butter or blue band. So this is what I'll do. My naan breads are ready, as you can see, very soft. So I'll apply on top of every bread on both sides. So this is the process. This is how you do. You apply your coriander, garlic, and butter on top of your bread. You can serve it with any kind of sauce you want. For me, I'll serve it with the minced meat. You can do it with chicken curry, beef, all that. It depends with the type of sauce you want to serve it with. So mine are ready and ready to eat. So see you when I eat.